Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a AvaEye camera to a NVR.
CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
So log in to the IP address on the local network for your NVR using a web browser such as Edge using a Windows computer. I don't have any plugins installed. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can get a camera added like so with the smart detection showing up on it. If I go into the smart menu, it allows me to actually enable these intrusion boxes or cross-line detections, which is under the VCA config section of the smart. The key to doing this is if you sometimes get cameras that are ONVIF only, but we're telling you they are compatible using the private protocol on your NVR, you just need to switch the cameras on private. So what you need to do is here, go into camera, and then look at the camera's settings. You can click on it and modify. If your camera is plugged into the PoE ports directly into the back of the NVR, you're not going over a PoE switch. It's very easy. The NVR gives the camera an IP address. It's right here. And then your listing might actually say ONVIF on it. Simply click on it, set it to private. So for example, yours probably says ONVIF right now. While the camera is compatible with your NVR to provide analytics, when it's in ONVIF mode, when you go into Smart, this section is grayed out. So if you go back, modify the camera's protocol that the NVR is using to communicate with it, set it to private, the Smart section will become available. If it gives you this error of no camera connected, just give it a second or two. I just went a little too fast. But here, the camera is still trying to reconnect to the NVR. It's reconnected now. And I'm using this IP4K 1BLG model. Now I go into Smart, and I can actually go and edit, and I can actually clear, draw a new area. And this analytics works on detecting human bodies. Keep in mind, it's not for vehicles. So if a vehicle passes by, that doesn't mean it's going to go off. It's only for human bodies. That's how it works. Once you draw your area, hit save. And whenever a person enters the box, the NVR will start recording. You can do lots of different trigger actions. I have mine set to a buzzer, but you can change yours any way you want. So there are lots of different functions for you to kind of explore and set according to your preferences. Don't forget to arm it in the arming schedule, and then go under setup, go to storage, and make sure under recording schedule you have normal, and then you also have event selected as well. Otherwise, these detection analytics will not work. M is motion, A is alarm. Okay, so in our case, we're doing analytics. It's event. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.